Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to master the best short haircut in 2024 tutorial. So please watch this video, it's very important for all women. If you want a short haircut like this, please watch this tutorial and apply at your salon like this haircut. So welcome to our tutorial on mastering the best short haircut for 2024. Today we will guide you a step-by-step through the process of achieving a fabulous short haircut. That's both trendy and easy to install. First, gather your length. You will need sharp and scissors, comb, hair clips, and a spray bottle filled with water. Make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp for easier cutting. Start by sectioning your hair, divide it into 4 halves. Front, back, and 2 sides. One section is clipped to keep everything organized. Now let's cut within the back side. Using the comb with a small section of hair, cut into your design line. Remember to cut in small symmetrical increments to avoid any drastic mistakes. Move on to the side for a seamless plan the sides by cutting and clearing. Take your time and check for balance as you go. Finally, work on decide how much length you want using the cutting technique soft and let the program go natural fitting. Once you are satisfied with the cut how your hair will last, please step by step and volume and here you have a chic short haircut for 2024. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel for more great hair tips and tricks. Now please enjoy this video. We will cut the diagonal sections to like this one because I will cut the all hair like that. So please enjoy again. I will tell you this video. If you like really our video, please subscribe the channel. We will update daily basis video. Thank you very much. Enjoy this tutorial.
me, you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know.